Nagpalitan na ng I-dos sina Maine at Arjo sa pamamagitan ng isang intimate wedding sa Baguio City, nitong Biyernes, July 28. Star-studded ang nasabing intimate wedding ng mga kilalang showbiz personalities. Matatanda ang year 2018 nang umugong ang usapang may relasyon, sina Maine at Arjo, habang year 2019 naman nang kumpirmahin nila ito. Matapos ang 3 taon, July 28, 2022, tuluyan nang nag-propose si Arjo kay Maine para pakasalan ito.
Thank our families and friends for coming all the way here to Baguio, kahit na tulad nagsabi ng lahat may bagyo, to celebrate us and with us. I truly appreciate you being here, and we are incredibly blessed to have you here with us today.
Experience everyone who braved the storm for us. We feel so much love today. The fact that you guys went here, we don't need any gifts. That itself is a gift. You're all here. You're all present. You're all doubting that everyone will be able to come here.